Principal, Dr. Mrs. P. Malti Ma'am, to share her thoughts and address the gathering.
Now we move to the most important part of today's event, the sustainability pledge. The pledge will be dictated by Shri Raghunathan.
I will conserve water and use natural resources responsibly. I will and preserve the environment through my daily actions. I commit to reducing waste and minimizing plastic use in my life. I will conserve water and use natural resources responsibly. I will save energy and adopt sustainable practices in all that I do. As a part of Bharat Environment Program, I commit to contributing to meaningful environmental action. Together we pledge to build a sustainable, responsible, and climate resilient future for our nation and for the world. Thank you everyone. Please put your hands.